Before you begin, check that all parts are included. Insert the batteries into the handle. Flip the handle so that the spindle points down. While in this position, press down the buttons 1 and 4 simultaneously until the LED flashes red. Release and the LED turns green. Now set your unique 6 digits admin code. The admin code can be changed. If the admin code is changed, the handle will reset to factory settings. Installation. The code handle fits to doors between 35 and 80 mm. For thinner doors, use the available distance ring. No additional drilling is needed. Place the inside handle on the doors inside. Cut the screws as close to the door as possible, so that a maximum of 6 mm of the screws is pointing out. Turn the spindle on the outside handle so that you can see the text up. Then attach the handle to the door with the screws. Programming. To enter the programming mode, press down and hold the lock button until the LED turns red. Enter your unique admin code. To set one of the 9 user codes, select one of the 9 memory positions by pressing the number 1 to 9 times, depending on which memory position you want to store your code. Wait until the LED turns green. Choose your own 4 to 6 digits user code. Your new code is acknowledged by 3 short beeps. If more than 1 user code is wanted, repeat step 1 to 3. Extra features. While in programming mode, press the number 2 to toggle the sound on or off. Press the number 3 to toggle the auto-locking on or off. To exit the programming mode, press the lock symbol or wait until the green light goes out. Daily usage. To unlock the code handle, simply enter your user code. To lock the code handle, if auto-locking is on, return the handle to the horizontal position within 9 seconds, or lock manually by pressing the lock button. To temporarily disable the auto-locking, enter your user code. Wait until the LED stops flashing. Press down the button 1 and 4 simultaneously. If you lock manually, the auto-locking feature will return.